And why are dogs' noses always wet? It's not just a quirk. The moisture on their noses helps trap countless scent particles from the air. This amazing adaptation sharpens their already incredible sense of smell, making them unparalleled sniffers and trackers. Ever wondered about nature's most electrifying creatures? An electric eel can unleash a staggering 600 volts. This incredible power instantly stuns prey or sends predators fleeing. It's truly nature's own living electric weapon, surprisingly strong and incredibly effective. Can parrots really talk like us? Absolutely. Some parrots are masters of mimicry, perfectly replicating human speech. They use this ability to communicate and bond, helping them integrate into social groups. They're far more than just colorful birds. Don't miss the next animal fact like and subscribe now.